Hey guys, I'm Wolf.
And I'm Maya.
And welcome to another episode of Foodie Moodi, where we cook the foods that we're in the mood for. Alright, Maya, so what are we in the mood for today?
Shredded chicken nachos.
Shredded chicken nachos. Yes, sir. That's what we're cooking today. Alright, so this recipe that we got here today, listen, it's gonna blow your mind. Not only that it's so easy, it is so fast. Easy and fast dinner. You're gonna impress.
It's good.
And it's good. You gonna tell them we had it like,
we had it once for dinner. I tore it up on my plate.
Yeah. She had like seconds and it was so good. But let me tell you guys,
everybody was behind. I was the first one to finish.
So anyways, so we're making some shredded chicken nachos, Mexican style, authentic style. You know how when you go to the restaurant and you're paying what, $10.99 for a shredded nacho? So this is probably gonna be $5-6, if that.
They should make it free.
Yeah, it's gonna be free for us, but it's gonna be $5 to $6 total for everybody. But
yeah.
Anyways, y'all ready to go ahead and make this?
Yes.
All right, come on, let's go ahead and make this. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna use is an instant pot. Now let me tell y'all something. This pot right here, oh my gosh, the fastest and easiest way to make food. Get one of these. I'm telling you, they didn't pay me to say this. I just want to do it. So this is what we're gonna do. We're going to put some chicken breast in here. All right. I'm gonna put about 4 chicken breasts. Let me get one more.
1, 2, 3.
Let's get one more in there. And
4.
4. All right.
4.
Make sure it's all down there. And then you're going to need a can of tomato sauce.
Yeah.
Very simple. 8 ounces. So that's a cup of tomato sauce.
There you go.
Go ahead and open this up.
Yeah.
I'm trying to tell y'all, you guys are gonna impress all your friends when you make this for a dinner date. All your in-laws. Anybody have in-laws? Yeah, they're gonna love this. So you pour a whole can in here. What I like to do is just get a little bit of water and put it in here. Just a little bit.
Wow.
All right. Next thing, get some chicken bouillon. Not a lot, all right? Real simple. We put about
Spread it.
a half teaspoon. We're not gonna over season this because we can season this later. All right, adobo. It's not authentic Mexican or Hispanic food if you don't put a little bit of adobo in there. Another half teaspoon. We're gonna get you some garlic powder, all right? Teaspoon probably. Cumin. Probably another teaspoon. And this, what we're making is basically, what we're making is a, what is this, a Mexican seasoning basically. All right. Onion powder. All right. Everything is a teaspoon basically. And chili powder. All right. Now I already know I didn't salt this enough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit more chicken bouillon. All right. A little bit more adobo. All right. And we're going to mix this up. Again, do not over season this. There's nothing worse than over seasoned chicken. Like it's too salty. Then you have the cheese dip that's gonna be salty. And then the chips are gonna be salty. No, you don't need to do that. All right. Take my word for it. All right. Mix this up. Just give it a little mix. All right.
Looking good so far.
Looking good. You can. It smells like a Mexican dish. So alternatively, if you don't have all these ingredients, you can get you a pack of Mexican seasoning and just throw that in there and put salt and pepper, whatever you put in there.
Okay.
But it's real simple. All right. All right. So now, all you got to do, close this up. Make sure this is on seal. We go to pressure cooking, 15 minutes, and we just let it go. In 15 minutes, I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen. Let it do its thing. We'll be back. All right, so now while the chicken is cooking, we're gonna prep our veggies that we're gonna saute. Now, you can put whatever you want on your nachos. We're gonna have sauteed bell peppers and onions. We're gonna put some beans in there. What else we gonna put? Some corn, jalapenos.
Oh, mushrooms.
Oh, we don't have mushrooms.
Oh man, I forgot. I'm
We'll
sorry.
get some mushrooms next time.
But we haven't had corn.
Sour cream.
Yeah, that's gonna be the best.
So just put whatever you want, man. Just prep anything that you want.
Yeah.
That you can imagine.
It pretty much will taste good.
It's gonna definitely taste good. I promise you that. So, you know, we're just gonna slice these up. Just like you get them when you saute at the restaurant.
Just dice it.
All right, can of refried beans. Real simple, guys. Same thing that they do at the restaurants, trust me. They're beans from the can. All right, get that. Break that down. Heat it up, 5 minutes. Heat it up on low. Give me a wooden spoon, please. I got one. That one. Put it in everything. Season the veggies.
Nice and crunchy.
Favorite.
Crunchy.
Butter.
This nice food. Look at it. Look at it. Nice and crunchy.
How it's supposed to look, guys.
Veggies are nice and crunchy.
This is how it's gonna look, alright? Don't worry. You take
It's gonna show
Here, I'm
you.
gonna show you mine. You take it out. And all you gotta do is shred it. Alright? Take a fork. And just shred your chicken.
Smells good.
It does.
Look how juicy, look, and it's all cooked. Shred it up. Tasty?
Yes, that is.
Smells so good.
You should try it.
Hold on, let me try it in a
Sauce is
second.
so
Hold on. Alright, and like I said, you just keep shredding these. And then you'll put it back in the pot. Alright? And that's when you'll taste it to make sure the seasoning's perfect. If you need a little bit more salt, you put some salt in there. If you need something else, you put it in there. But for the most part, this is your chicken. This is what your chicken's gonna look like. Alright?
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna put it back in here. Put your chicken back in here.
Let it get in the juice.
Let it get in that juice. Let it marry.
Here, let me
Alright.
let it marry your kiss.
That in there. Alright, and I'm gonna season it a little bit more. I think I'll lift that up. See? See how that looks? Right.
Okay.
Go like you're about to grab. Yeah.
You recording? Alright, guys. Here you go. Zoom in on this.
Oh yeah, let's check it out. Move that.
And this is how it's gonna come out. Put some cheese dip, banana peppers,
Jalapeno.
bell peppers, jalapenos. We got some
Good
avocado.
stuff over here.
And here we go.
Must be good. They're quiet. Well,
You wanna try some?
how is it, Maya? Please.
It's good. You always make it good, Daddy.
Thank you.
Daddy has cheese dip mustache.
Did you put the lime juice on top? Because that would be so good.
Thank you.
This is so good.
The chicken came out perfectly, guys. Shredded, has that Mexican flavor.
I haven't tasted.
Oh, it's good with the avocado. Wow.
That cheese sauce.
Cheesy, but good.
That's
But
really
cheesy.
good. What's your favorite part, Maya?
Taste testing.
Of course.
Put some more cheese on here. That's how I like mine.
Me too.
See, and they charge you extra for that cheese dip. See, by the time you get that cheese dip for your appetizer with your chips and dip, and then you want to get some extra on your food, you know, it's gonna be $30. Oh God, yeah.
That's why we made it in 5 and 6.
Want some of it? Shall we close it out?
So,
You guys have to subscribe.
I'm telling y'all, this meal right here, you're not gonna want to pay anymore at the restaurant, unless you want to go there for a margarita, which we can make those here too. But
Stay tuned.
I can't stop eating this.
Me either.
I hope you guys like this recipe. Comment down below if you're gonna try it.
And hit that bell.
So whenever we post again, you'll know.
That's great.
All right. Me and Maya just gonna keep eating. Y'all go ahead and go to the stove.
Peace.
Go buy some of these things to go make this.
Peace. And we're gonna just keep on eating.
And we'll holler at you later. Peace.
Peace.